Let's get an overview of the item content in Quick Takeoff. The Knowledgebase contains numerous phases of work following the Master Format 2018 numbers and descriptions. Many of the items needed for estimating gas work are in Subdivision 3350, Hydrocarbon Utilities. A number of phases provide coverage for gas piping, including valves, accessories, and specialties, as well as equipment such as regulators, meters, and related components for gas piping. Under earth moving, you'll find grading, excavation, dewatering, and fill. The Knowledgebase includes excavation bracing as well as the paving, repaving, and other items needed for restoring roads and walks. It also provides items for trenchless installation, including HDD, boring and jacking, mulling, and pipe ramming. Next, let's check out the available rate tables. The Knowledgebase has one rate table containing 2021 labor rates. The rates are a 40-city average derived from Davis-Bacon wage rates. We have a choice of equipment rate tables. There's one rate table for owned equipment and 3 different rental rate tables. One for daily, one for monthly, and one for weekly rental rates. Where available, current rental rates and operating rates for equipment were developed from Equipment Watch. Any rental and operating rates for equipment not found in Equipment Watch were developed based on the cost of equipment and usage. Let's look at some of the Knowledgebase assemblies in Assembly Takeoff. There are assemblies for the various kinds of work needed to support gas transmission and distribution, including foundations, steel, excavation and fill, paving, and more. For gas piping, the Knowledgebase contains assemblies for plastic pipe, including HDPE black pipe and NDPE yellow pipe, butt fusion and electrofusion, offsets, and branch piping with saddles, either butt fusion or electrofusion. Steel pipe assemblies include API 5L butt welded by schedule or specified wall thickness, field bending and offsets, as well as smaller socket welded or threaded piping, including API 5L or A53. The Knowledgebase has assemblies for valves. These assemblies include the joints. For butt weld valves, the assemblies include the butt welds, preparation, and radiography. For flanged valves, the flanges and nut, bolt, and gasket sets are included in the assemblies. Here's an assembly for simple gas service with a regulator and meter. There are also assemblies for high-flow meters and regulators for metering and regulation stations. Let's complete an assembly takeoff for MDPE yellow butt fusion. We'll take off 500 feet. You can include or exclude the materials so that you can estimate installation only if desired. If you want the materials, just enter yes. The assembly includes CTS sizes up to 1.25 inches. For 6-inch diameter MDPE pipe, it covers 4 different SDRs. You can add fittings if you need them. To include gas pipe installation, simply enter yes for include gas pipe installation. Entering the maximum pipe length gives you a calculation for the fusion welds. The assembly calculates the cost for materials and installation for that pipe, about $21 per lineal foot. Let's generate the assembly to the spreadsheet and take a look at the first part of our estimate for 500 feet of plastic pipe. You can see that the items have crew-based installation with labor and equipment where it's needed. The crew for welds includes the McElroy machine. This crew also uses a generic resource for this work called steam fitters or pipe fitters. Basically, this resource is part of the plumbing union. It could also be a plumber or a gas mechanic, for example. Next, let's look at a steel assembly for steel butt welded piping. This assembly is more complex. It handles up to 40-inch diameter pipe. Notice that you can automate the calculation of fittings, although that's not common for gas pipe. You can also enter your own field welds or let them be calculated by the assembly. Let's include the gas pipe materials and pipe coating. Typically, this might be a PE jacket or it could be FBE. Let's also include the installation and radiograph all of the field welds. Add the pass to calculate the assembly cost. It's about $600 a foot for 30-inch steel pipe installed. Note that this does not include the trenching. And then generate the assembly to the estimate spreadsheet. With over 38,000 items and more than 90 assemblies, the Eos Natural Gas Knowledgebase provides ample detail for estimating natural gas transmission, distribution, and delivery.